Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Okay, JR. Let me in. I'm ready to start right now with Facebook Ads University. I want to create my own profitable ad campaigns. Here's what you'll get. The best Facebook ads training on the planet. Easy to follow videos. Full video-based training, unlimited access. Step-by-step, 11-module video course with practical applications. Real-life examples. Live examples, behind-the-scenes look at my businesses. You will have access to the actual campaigns that I use to rake in millions. Methods that get results. 100% practical instruction, no theory, just strategies that are working right now. Plus all these bonuses. Bonus number 1, live coaching and Facebook ad reviews. Plus Facebook group access. $2,000 plus $1,000 equals $3,000 value. We select a few stores, review your progress, and help you increase your ROI and scale, hands-on. Weekly coaching sessions with me personally, a bona-fide 8-figure business owner. Get the latest strategies and tweaks that are working right now. Typically I charge $2,500/hour for consultations, but you will have access to me live every week for as long as needed. Bonus number 2, Mastermind Q&A sessions. $1,000 value each, 14 sessions. Over 50 hours of my private live coaching call Q&A sessions. Here people from around the world in all kinds of niches get their problems solved. Listen in on real people asking questions about every part of Facebook ads. Bonus number 3, Audience Analyzer software. $1,000 value. Find thousands of new audiences with a simple click of your mouse. Find audiences at a lower cost much quicker to skyrocket your profits. Allows me to scale my campaigns quickly by literally showing me what audiences I should target to get more sales. Uncover new niches that you never knew existed. Bonus number 4, Instant Facebook Ad Creator Tool. $1,000 value. Instantly create stunning Facebook ads, includes free images and text designs. No need to hire expensive graphics designers, saves you thousands of dollars. No need for expensive picture editing software, make your own images for ads in minutes. Bonus number 5, Facebook Fan Page Research Tool. $1,000 value. Custom software that allows you to spy on any of your competitors' fan pages. Learn how they build their audience. Find their most popular posts. See the successful ads they are currently running. Bonus number 6, Facebook Campaign Spy software. $1,000 value. Custom software that allows you to spy on any of your competitors' fan pages. Allows you to see their top performing posts. Reveals the top pages in your niche within seconds. Built-in page reporter to analyze any fan page.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.